Hey everyone, how are you doing tonight? And so again, I'm coming on and using Be Live TV. So when you come on, let me know if you're hearing me and if you're seeing me okay, and let me know what your thoughts are on this. So I am so excited to share with you tonight some organizational tips. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that, but I want to just make sure that everything is coming through, hopefully. And, you know, my eyes, oh, I'm up and running. That is the most important thing. And so that is so cool. And so I'm looking to see. And so we're going to talk a little bit more about that, but I want to just make. Okay. Hey, Deborah, how are you, sweetheart? Okay. I'm like, got it up and going on my phone and making sure that I'm seeing stuff. And so, okay. Y'all, my eyesight is bad. Looking to see, so I'm just kind of checking. So, okay, let me start off with a little bit of a story. Not really much of a story, but I heard and saw several people talking today on Facebook posts, on lives, talking about organizing, sorting, cleaning, and I know we all kind of get into this mode after the first of the year, but and because like either we're wanting to lose weight, we're wanting to exercise, we want to get more organized, and that's when like all the organizational things go on sale that you can get your Rubbermaid containers, filing systems, all that wonderful stuff. And this is something that I have, believe it or not, I kind of enjoy. But a lot of people are like, oh, I do not enjoy cleaning and I don't enjoy organizing, whatever. Well, I didn't think so either. But so I'm going to start sharing with you some tips and some ideas tonight. Not going to go completely into details or we'd be here all night long. So we're not going to do that. But I'm thinking if everything goes well, I'm thinking next week to plan it out that I'll kind of maybe do a series and we'll just kind of play with it and see how it goes, because I have learned so much and I'm getting all my information that I have picked up. I don't use her whole program or her whole thought process and ideas, but is the Flylady. And it's like flylady.com, and I will find the link and then post it down in here later. And so I appreciate y'all coming on and saying hi. And so if you would, since I'm using this new format of Be Live TV, that if you put a emoji or a comment down, I can like highlight your message and your comment. And so isn't that awesome? So now the first thing what we're going to start is, where do you start at? Yes. So I've got to look back. I don't know how long I've followed the Flylady. I want to guess, okay, Zachary is 22. It's way over 10 years, I'm guessing. It's got to be way over 10 years that I have done hit and miss of her ideas throughout. And they are so beneficial. So my big question is, and this is everybody's question, where do I start? Where do you start? And this is my thought, is you start now. You start now. And let me see if that's going to, oh, let me see. I've got to put this on here. And hold on, y'all. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cool? You start now. And so this is what's so fun about this format of coming to you live. I can add different things in there when it's planned out of what I'm going to talk about. So where do you start? When you're starting to organize, to clean, whatever it might be, sorting kids' clothes, just start now, okay? This is the next thing. You know what? You just set a timer and start for 15 minutes, okay? You take it off little bites at a time. And you can do 15 minutes. You do say I'm just going to give you examples right now, kind of hitting the highlights and give you pointers to get started. Say you've got, okay, I'm going to give you example. I've got tax papers to go through, receipts and all that kind of stuff because I'm really bad. And I'm going to plan this year and do an organizational thing. And we're going to go through that later of how I'm going to set that up and see how it works. But I dread paper clutter. Paper clutter is the worst for me. But set a timer, and I didn't bring my timer in here, but we all have timers on our phones. You go into the alarm clock, it's got a timer. Set it for 15 minutes. Flylady even has, oops, not on that phone. Oh, on this phone. Flylady even has an app. And oh, I guess I hit it now on here. Okay, but